Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be filming my everyday makeup routine. I am currently getting ready to go to a party and I'm just going to do like my basic everyday go-to routine. So I figured I would film that for you guys. Let's just get on in with the video. So I'm going to start off with my brows. For that, I am just going to use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. I spoolie through my brows. That way the powder doesn't look heavy and it's gonna look a lot more natural. I'm just gonna clean them up with concealer before I go in with the Ardell Stroke of Brow. Now I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. I love that Milani primer. It just leaves such a luminosity to the skin. So then I'm going to go in with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, and I just like to place that right here under my under eyes. That's what it's called. I also really like this because it helps with creasing. Then I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This one has been wearing so well on me, and I especially like it in combination with these primers. So I do have the shade medium beige, but that's too light for me. So I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the Catrice Makeup Transformer Drops. My favorite way to apply this foundation is with a brush. So I'm using the NYX brush, the 22 one, and I love this foundation brush. I am going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer today in the shade Medium 1 Custard. Just going to blend this out with a beauty sponge. So I like to take the excess up onto the lid. Next, I'm going to cream contour with the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. So I have the shade 2.2, and I just use the contour side to contour my face. Then I'm just going to take this mini e.l.f. stippling brush and blend it in. Then I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just kind of bake my under eyes. First, I am just blending out the creases and then just pressing it right into my skin. Just baking my smile lines. And then I like to get anywhere else that gets oily. So I did my chin, I do my upper lip, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm not doing a lot of powder just because I don't want it to be heavy, but I do just like pressing it in with my sponge. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder in Sandalwood 15, and I'm just going to use this to set everywhere that I didn't set with that powder. I'm going to do my eyes real quick. I don't know. I guess I'll do my eyes real quick. I'm going to take the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to go in first with Tempera just as my base shade. So I'm just applying this on the whole entire lid just to set everything in place. Then I'm going in with the Morphe M441, and I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange right here into my crease. And this is really all I do, just to have a little color on the lid. But if I don't want to wear eyeshadow, this is the look that I'll do. Okay, then I'm just going to take the E17. This is a smaller brush and the same color and do my lower lash line. Then I'm using the Stila Micro Tip Black Liquid Liner to create a wing. I pretty much have my eyes finished now. I have a wing on, I put my lashes on, mascara, eyeliner. I put a little bit of ColourPop Nude liner on my lower lash line. And the lashes I'm wearing are from Violet Voss, and they are in the style Vamptress. This is actually my first time wearing them, and I love them. But my go-to lashes are from Tarte in the styles Center of Attention and Goddess. So these are usually my go-to lashes. I just kind of wanted to wear like a new pair, and these are really, really similar to the Center of Attention ones that I like from Tarte. Let's finish up the face. So I'm going to take the Laura Geller Universal Setting Powder now. This has a really pretty luminosity, and what I like to do is take the Morphe M500 and just kind of adjust this on my face. And I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it leaves a very pretty iridescence on top of the skin. So I usually go between my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer or this one here. This is the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. So I'm going to take this one today on my Morphe M527. Then I'm going to use my contour shade from the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. So I use the shade Princess Cut right here. I'm going to use a Morphe R10. I'm going to contour my nose real quick and I'll be right back. So I just have a little bit of banana powder to clean this up. I'm just going to kind of let that bake for a little bit. And I'm also going to take the KKW Beauty Brightening Powder. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my under eyes. For blush, I'm going to take the Nars Blush in Orgasm and pop that on my cheeks. Okay, so I just blended in that powder on my nose. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using I'm going to take the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in the shade Sparkling Pichet. And honestly, guys, like these highlighters are so underrated. I have this shade, and I also have the Radiant Rose Gold, which is really beautiful too. And like these are the best highlighters, and I love combining this with the Anastasia and Reezy highlighter. So that's what I'm going to do today. First, I am going to take the Lancome one. Look at that. And that was like the lightest touch. Use the blush brush I used to just kind of blend. And then I'm going to go in with the Amrezy highlighter. And then I'm going to use a really small brush and get my brow and my inner corner. Last but not least, for lips, this has been one of my favorite lip combos recently. So first, I'm going to take the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 1. Then I'm going to take the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kimberly. I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So I am just going to spray my face and then I'm going to pounce it in with my beauty sponge. Okay, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.